Hey everybody, it's Bobby the Fan Man here, and here we have a 1995 Windmere 12-inch rotating grill box fan model C-753. I got this off Facebook Marketplace back in the summer of 2021. It was $10. I love this fan, it works really well. The only thing is it doesn't start up on low because I think it needs oil, and I don't know how to oil it. But yeah, it will start up on high, medium, or high. But it will run on low. It's got to get going. It's high. We're gonna start off on high first. It's very strong too. Like it blows everything around. It blows my napkin. It's my anniversary clock. Love that clock. That's my gift from my grandfather. Here's medium. Don't mind the galaxy running. I'm about to go to bed soon. That's medium. The grill's on a motor. It's not rather than the patent fans that have the what do you call it? The that's ran by the wind of the blades and low. Nice breeze. Turn the oscillator and the rotator off. We'll shut her down. Yeah. Here's has buttons 0, 1, 2, 3. These feet also fold in as well, so you can use it in a window, even though somewhere here says do not use in a window. I can't remember where it says it, but somewhere it's a tag there. Somewhere I saw it says do not use in a window. I don't know where it says it though. But here's the tag, where the information tag, deluxe box fan, September 95, 12FO, made in the PRC, C-753, size 12-inch, frequency 60 Hz, current 0.5 amps, and power 50 watts. You all listed. So yeah, somewhere I read it says do not use in a window. I don't know where I read it though. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on TikTok, which is Bobby the Fan Collector on TikTok. Have a great night, and God bless. Bye-bye.